how to log in into MetaTrader 5 account. First of all, you have to launch the MetaTrader 5 application in your mobile device. After you open up this application, you will land on this interface. Here, at the top left, tap on three-line icon. Then tap on Get Started button. Here, again tap on the plus icon at the top right. Now you'll be taken into this page. First of all, you have to find your broker account. Simply tap on Find Broker and then search for your broker. But if you want to get logged into your demo account, tap on MetaCodes Ltd as your broker. Once you're here, in case if you don't have an account yet, you can simply open up a demo account by tapping on this option at this interface at the top. If you already have an account, in order to log in, first of all, you have to enter your ID. After that, enter your password right here. Once done, simply tap on Login button, and with that, you'll be logged into your MetaTrader 5 account if you have entered the correct login credentials. In case you forgot your password, there is a link that says Forget Password. Tap on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. And with that, that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.